Namaskar. Respected Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, Honorable Union Minister of State in Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State Independent Charge, Ministries of State and Technology, Earth Sciences, Personal Public Relations and Extensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Space, sir. The trustees of Kumar Viyogi Trust, Madam Poonam Singh Jamwal, Shri Govardhan Singh Jamwal Ji, Shri Anshuman Singh Jamwal Ji, on the dais, Madam Ritu Singh Ji, my colleague Professor Ravinder Singh Ji, HOD Department of English, in the audience, Padma Shri Balwant Thakur Ji, Padma Shri Professor Lalit Malhotra Ji, my colleagues from the Department of English, guests, invited guests, dean, directors, students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm representing my Vice Chancellor today, Professor Umesh Rai Ji, who is preoccupied because of some preoccupations, some commitments he had, because of which he could not make it to this event, and has deputed me. And it's a pleasure and my proud privilege today that while I'm representing my Vice Chancellor and my university here, I have the privilege and honor of welcoming none other than our very own Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji. Sir, it's always a pleasure to host you at University of Jammu, and we always look forward to your blessings in our endeavor to take this university forward. As an alumni of University of Jammu, you are always welcome to visit us as and when you feel, sir. Most welcome, and thank you for sparing your valuable time to be here with us and share your views on this occasion, sir. Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of university, we are highly grateful to you, sir, for being here. I would like to say something about in this role as a representative from the University of Jammu. In the first place, I would like to congratulate the trust itself for collaborating with the University of Jammu, the two departments of University of Jammu, one the Department of Dogri and the Department of English, and taking the vision of the celebrity forward, in whose memory we have gathered here, and we are celebrating his accomplishments and contributions to the languages. And while I was reading about him, less did I know that he is known for his lyrical form of sonnets, both in Dogri and in English. As a person who belongs to the state of erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, and now the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, and especially somebody who comes from the region Jammu, I would like to say that the promotion of Dogri as a language is our prime duty, and I think this trust, which is collaborating with University of Jammu Department of Dogri and both Department of English as well, in some form or the other, we as a university are committed to this promotion as well. As I would like to place on record that in the capacity as the Dean Research especially, our university has taken forward the agenda of Viksit Bharat, the vision of Viksit Bharat, and the NEP 2020 both together. To put forth about my point of view in this, while NEP talks about dissolving the boundaries and moving across disciplines, we at University of Jammu are committed to the vision which is being rooted through the vision of the grooming of the youth at University of Jammu, so that we can realize and actually hit upon the local problems of the region and showcase some kind of outcomes in terms of research and innovation, which can actually translate itself into policy and other types of action plans. As a university, the languages are most dear to us, something which I would want to emphasize on behalf of my colleagues, my university, and my portfolio, sir, that we give equal importance to all the disciplines that we offer. Jammu University offers 42 disciplines, And in these 42 disciplines, we offer various types of courses, including the PhD program, sir. But least, I would say that each discipline, including languages as soft area, is given equal importance. And I'm very proud to share, sir, while we are emphasizing on research which is indigenous in nature and has some kind of connect with the community, we are also promoting the soft areas through our languages. And there are researchers and PhDs happening wherein the folk tales and the myths and the stories of the region of the Dogras is being studied. With these few words, I once again welcome each one of you present here and thank you on behalf of my Vice Chancellor and my university for sparing your valuable time to be part of this event. I'm sure the 4 days Utsav that this trust is hosting under the banner of, under the objective that they have is going to be successful, and Jammu University's commitment to be part of such kind of promotion of the languages will always be ensured the best possible ways. With these remarks, I thank the organizing committee, I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity, and I thank my Vice Chancellor to nominate me to be present and representing him. Thank you very much.